That's just one. Yeah, one out of the 6 reactions you're about to see right now. Remember the prank I did with the Jamaican restaurants? I love going out in public and pranking them, so I decided to do it again. So you can call this a part 2. Right now I'm on my way to the first location. That's a Jamaican vegan / Ital spot. So you know how to kick off the video. Different this time. You know how rude family man get to work. I'm going to pull up, buy the patty, and do what I know how to do best.
Look into my eyes, tell me what you see.
All that had to do with Fibonacci retracement of the entire move up since March of 2020. My official target, my base case target for this year was 38.15 on the S&P. Wrote back on January the 20th, and I told clients about our webinar.
Oops. I tell her I'm not want to load up the thing, but I tell her it's about to get active right now. She believe it. I'm going to see it for myself. Hold on.
I still think that, a lot of that started to get baked into the name, but as we see today, it starts to cascade, and at the end of the day, it's going to black out from us. And at a time you need him to navigate the storm, you'll want to see him on Twitter, just focused on Twitter rather than on Tesla in terms of what we're seeing on the supply chain. So playing off
who bake it?
No, we bake it, but we order them.
Oh.
Yeah, we don't make them here.
There are some who say that one of the worrying signs still in the stock market is that people are still too
Boss it.
I'm here. These stocks went way up.
No, that's crazy.
Is that prank?
Valuations increased on Fed liquidity. Investors break the so nothing overall can't get real. Sure, and I just think when we
Yo, how you deal with them things in the better? You didn't even know we do to I think I was over dropped down.
Yeah.
Deal with them things.
No, I know that. No, it's a thing I know. The baddest vegan Ital place anywhere uptown.
You know, when I look at that,
Yes.
but still, a hell. So it still got me.
No, and I'm like, when you deal with the situation, you held your composure and you just,
Yeah. Right away, Yo.
Is this still?
Tell the camera where them can find the baddest vegan and the Ital.
See the man from me, he got me. Baddest vegan food, H.I.M.
Yeah, that.
4374 White Plains Road, Bronx, New York.
Alright, uptown.
He got me though, he got me.
This is the place if you want like get prepared for Corona, get rid of Corona, and just keep fit and healthy. Remember health is wealth, here is the place to go. It's a prank, it's not real.
Everyone knows the
Yeah.
visible. Single-minded.
Yeah. Me know. No, me go buy next one, it bad.
You are.
No, it bad, me go buy next one, it tough.
Can't believe you did that. Oh, God.
That put a smile on your face to start the weekend, kick it off nice, you know?
Listen. It's hands, Mama.
Everything natural. Turmeric soap. Yeah man, everything natural man. Hear that? Check them out man. Them active. Health is wealth. You see the line long? From old to young, you see it? No meat.
Are you just anything? Done them and done.
Everything gone. Just to show you. Check them out. Boss, Sunday eating a roach and I'm cheap. You're the manager there? Either you have to reimburse me or something, brother. Probably eat all roach egg and them thing, I'm cheap.
Roach egg made us feel, but not there right now, but sure.
Yeah. Yo, brother, hold this. It's a prank. It's a prank. Roach not real. You know, big up yourself, my brother. I like how you deal with it still, you know? But yeah, tell the people them where them can find the big bad bakery. With the big bad patty, them, you hear that? Yeah. Oh, shit.
You pull that one upon me.
Yeah, me see.
You pull that one upon me.
Yeah, people, and them sell the big bad bread, them, and the big bad bun, them. You see the nutmeg bread one I love? See it there, eat man. The bakery, I check them out, you hear that? Oh, whoa. But yo, give the people them the address, man, and the baddest bakery this man.
4374 White Plains Road, alright?
Yeah, man, the bad
Paul's Bakery.
Alright, you hear that?
Alright.
Yeah, man, my G, you don't know.
Yeah, man,
Alright, stand back. Yeah, 2 in 1. Bad, outside and a corona, I'm outside. Yo, who bake this? What manager there? A roach in this and that. Roach. I'm going to show my lawyer this. So 2 things either on reimburse me or me show my lawyer the video. It's simple.
Where's the roast, sir?
The roach right there, some G.
Isn't that
It's a prank, man. It's a prank. What does a prank? It's a prank. What I do no wrong?
Yes, it is. What you're doing now is wrong.
No, man, it's a prank, man.
Yeah, I know, I understand.
Yeah.
What you're doing now is wrong.
No, but...
Because we did not give you any money
Alright.
to do so.
No, you're right. I understand, you're right. But this is the thing though. I'm go around, I'm gonna do this to restaurants who I genuinely like and eat from. Hold on. No, I'm gonna do it because your reaction, you know.
Because if my sister know the car, you would next time. I owe you a friend, but y'all have that now.
Whoa! Yeah, man, good for know your rights, man. Good for know your rights. People, you see it? Golden Krust. Active. You hear that? Give me the address. Give me the address, no pretty girl. No joke, man. Give them the restaurant, the address of the restaurant. I record that. And this here you go.
You're serious?
I'm zoom in on it there. Right, that's what I eat. Bad dog. It's a prank, me G. See, she want to beat me up. See them out for beat me up. Me have to cut. Golden Krust out for beat me up. You see it? Yo, mommy. Who beat this? You or who beat this? Who beat this?
Baby?
Yeah, when I roach in the party. That's crazy, yo. Probably will call me lawyer. Probably call a roach nigga and everything there.
We buy from a company, we don't make it here.
Oh, really? So, who you are the manager? Who's the manager?
No, the manager is not here.
So, who can talk?
Let me call and see if he's close by.
No, the other one call him because, you know? Mommy, come here. It's a prank, yeah?
I'll call him anyway.
Listen, look, it's a prank. It's a fake roach in there, it's not real.
Got him! Oh!
I know the manager, so I just come for prank, you know, and promote the restaurant. It's a thing I do. I go around. You stress out? Sorry, my apologies, yeah?
No.
My apologies.
What is not fair? Because you got me stressed to the max.
It was a good one, right?
That's an excellent one.
Oh, man. No, I want it because it tastes good. More but my spinach patty, it tastes good. Mommy stress out.
No, I can decompress.
Alright.
No, because something like that.
Yeah, what do you do?
And the thing about it is,
Yeah, but you get it from
but
somewhere.
it get it from somewhere else, and now that is another whole litigation.
Right. Alright. I love your personality and I love how you dealt with the situation, you know. Tell them where the address and yeah.
JES Town and Country, 1438 East Gun Hill Road, open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mondays through Saturdays. Everything is done fresh every day.
Every day.
So please come in and try it.
You hear that, people?
Thank you.
Alright. Tell them like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright.
Subscribe.
Alright. Outside. You call him? I'll just tell him to call the manager. I'm going to call the manager.
Let me see. But we don't do the patties here until we don't make the patties.
No, but listen. What go on? Because it's either I show my lawyer this or I reimburse me.
Reimburse him.
Like a box up on there or something.
I'm going to call my boss about this one, darling.
Yeah?
I'm going to call my boss.
But I will make it.
We don't make patties here. Patties come from the plants and then pop. All you do, it's already sealed up and everything. And you just put it in the oven and bake it. That's it.
But my day I wonder if we eat all roach egg and them thing there.
Darling, you're the first customer ever come up with one patty and say you find roach in it.
So me are the first person.
I'm telling you from
Alright.
right here. No, nobody can talk to you from what you know. So you have a
No, I'm going to tell you, say you. No, listen up.
No.
You said.
No. Guess what? You're not
Come
going to
here.
Hold on, man. No.
It's not like that. Listen up.
Hello, I can understand. No. I can understand if whatever you eat you're recording, but you're not.
No, but listen. No, listen up. Just listen to me. Come right, sir.
No, if you're going to talk to me,
Alright.
I said it's straight.
No, listen. It's a
Get out.
prank. It's a prank.
Okay, straight.
That thing we do to others. It's like how me are the first person you say bring roach, you see me? Or the first person who prank you to, you see it?
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm say the roach, and you let me say them the roach. I like having say big roach.
Big roach, yeah.
No, Jamaica roach. Let me say, at the end of the day, we have to call my boss.
Yeah. Oh.
They should get in touch with the plant.
No, that's the right thing for do. Call the boss.
That's how we make patties.
Alright. Right.
Yeah, we only get it and already done do everything. All we do is make it. You?
Yeah.
No, it's not good for you.
Got a roach on the bottom of it. Yeah, dog. Big roach shot, brother.
Roach or plastic roach, man. Try again.
It's a prank bad dog.
Sharp.
Yeah, well, I'm just going around my prank restaurants and things.
Go me for that cockroach now, dog. I scream, no one man scream when I say.
Tell them which part them can find the place on my G.
1322 East Gunny Road, Central Caribbean Bakery. Come to best bakery, best patties night, Bronx, yeah?
No joke, a real talk, man.
Y'all have a good day. Big results now.
Nah, lie still, me love how bad dog sharp like my ratchet knife.
Oh, run it, oh, run it, oh, yeah, I'm running up a check. I got a bad bitch, she pull up in a topless. Ass fat, yeah, you know I gotta hit it, yes. Balling on these niggas, they don't want to see me fucking go. I turn an 8 in the 24, I'm lit, though. I turn a 6 in a 9, I'm the shit, oh. In a 911 push, I'm about to turn up. Got your girl more open, what's the word up? Oh, she wanna give me Becky, I would never fold up. No, I'm chasing green, I'm chasing paper, never cold up. Whoa, word to my killer, yeah, we got a gun tuck. And if a nigga mess around, he get his head bust.